Welcome to Love Empire International, also known as LEI ICT HUB. If you're passionate about technology, cybersecurity, media, and lifelong learning, you're in the right place. Here, we dive into the essentials of IT and cybersecurity, from networking basics and threat analysis to hands-on penetration testing and digital forensics. Our videos are packed with practical tutorials, real-world insights, and the latest trends to keep you one step ahead in tech and cybersecurity. We're here to support you on your tech journey, answer your questions, and share insights that matter. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, our tutorials, deep dives, and interactive sessions make learning fun and accessible. Ready to explore the world of IT and cybersecurity? Hit that subscribe button and join the LEI ICT HUB community. Let's get lighted up together.